Welcome to the Wong Review. My name is Will, where I do tech unboxing, tech reviews, and tech tutorials. In today's episode, I'm reviewing the best productivity and gaming keyboard I have used, which is the K600G MACHENIKE Mechanical Keyboard. In this video, I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing. I'm going to show you all the different accessories that comes with the package. I'm going to talk about my use of it in the terms of the feel of using the keyboard, also the sound. Since it's a mechanical keyboard, I am going to talk about the switches and some of the RGB lighting and features and functions. So just to note, this unit was provided by whatgeek.com at no cost to me. However, they have no input into this video. If you find this video helpful, please remember to like and subscribe to the video. Today I'm reviewing the MACHENIKE K600G. As cool as you are, mechanical keyboard, and this is the one with the brown switch. It comes with the keyboard itself, which we'll take a closer look at in a second. And the box comes with keycap holder as well as some instructions. Some very cool stickers. So it comes with a dongle, and it comes with the dongle docking station. It says K600. This is a 2.4 gigahertz dongle, allows you to wirelessly connect to your computer. So there's 4 connection methods. One is through 2.4 gigahertz. Dongle here has the USB type C wired to wired connection, as well as 2 Bluetooth connection capabilities. So let's move on that. Here is the K600G mechanical keyboard. This is 100 keys. I do like it because it has number pad as well as the function key rolls. What I've been using recently is the Fecker Alice mechanical gaming keyboard, but the one thing I noticed, you can see it's about the same size. However, it is missing the number pad and the function keys. And especially for my line of work and when I'm working from home, I do use a lot of numbers, Excel spreadsheets, and I do miss having the mechanical number pad here, so I'm really looking forward to have it. In terms of the build quality, it is pretty robust and thick. As I try to do a flex test here, you can see it's not moving at all. It does have, at the bottom here, leg stands on each side with 3 different settings. This height, and then no height. So it does allow you to have proper angle in terms of how you're typing, and you can change the preference depending on what you like. So I thought that was a really good feature as well. It does have anti-slip grip on the bottom here. I have it on my keyboard mat here, and you can see that it hardly moves when I'm doing that, which is again a nice feature. You don't want a keyboard that kind of slides around. In terms of the build quality, in terms of the functions here, if I turn back, it has cable, wireless, or it has, in terms of the functions, it has cable. So it does come with keycap pullers, which allow you to switch out the mechanical switches. The keyboard that I received was the Gateron G Pro 2.0 brown switch. And so here I am just showing you how easy it is to take it out. Just like pulling teeth from a dentist. So I have the brown switch, which according to the website, it is pre-lubed. The travel distance is 4mm max. I just want to take a closer look at the keycaps. So the keycaps are made out of PBT material, which is hard plastic. I am not concerned about it wearing down. Here I'm trying to scratch the lettering off, and as you can see, I can't, which is fantastic, especially if you're a gamer and using the same keys over and over again. You don't have to worry about it being worn down. You have a choice between brown or yellow switches. So here I am just replacing it with a yellow switch. I do like the sound of the yellow switch over the brown switches. As you can see, it's really easy to pop in there. It's universal switch mount. You hear a click, then you know it's in. Here I am just kind of pushing it in. And then putting the control key back in, and there you go. It's easy as 10 seconds to switch it out. You hear the sound between the yellow and brown keys. So it does, in terms of features, it is Mac and Windows compatible, which is great for me. I have a Mac Studio, and so I have the command and special Mac keys. In terms of RGB lighting, if you hit function to insert, it will change the RGB lighting pattern. Just here I am just kind of cycling through it. The function L arrow slows down the pattern, and the function right arrow speeds up the pattern. And then, depending on your setting, the function up and down arrows will decrease or increase the brightness. So here is just a typing accuracy as well as typing noise. So I'm just going to be quiet now so you can actually listen to the noise of the brown switches. In terms of sound, I don't mind the sound. I do prefer the yellow switches. I feel it's a bit muted. But the thing that bugged me was the space bar. For some reason, the space bar has a tingy sound. And here I got 78% words per minute with 93% accuracy. Okay, so next I want to talk about using the keyboard for gaming purposes. So this is actually wired into my Xbox Series X gaming console. And I'm using Fortnite as an example. The good thing about the keyboard, it is straight plug and play. As soon as you change it to wired connection, it works flawlessly. There's no issues at all. I'm the guy who doesn't use gamepad. I just struggle with it because I'm so used to transition. And so the good point is there is no lag whatsoever when I was using the keyboard for playing Fortnite. Overall, it was very smooth, and I find I'm just a little bit more accurate in controlling over using a gamepad. And I'm sure there's some people out there that's going to definitely disagree with me on this one. Overall, I was pretty happy with using it. I mean, it's position rest. I had no issues with my wrist, and the keys were very responsive. So one thing to note, it is anti-ghost keys. And as you can see, I just kind of filmed myself doing it. So there's an N key rollover feature, which means each key is scanned completely independently by the keyboard hardware so that each key press is correctly detached regardless of how many other keys are being pressed or held down at the same time. So this is a feature that I actually did a bit of research on to try and understand what it meant. And from my understanding is it's supposed to help with the accuracy and to make sure that when you're spamming keys that it's registering each key separately, so for better accuracy. Alright, so that concludes my video for the MACHENIKE K600G wireless keyboard. I did get this from whatgeek.com, and I suggest that you head out to the website if you want to see more specs about the keyboard itself. There is a discount code, an extra 10% off your purchase if you use the discount code William10. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Until next time.